Hi everyone, I'll basically be showcasing my CS50 final project in this video. My name is Singh Ahlawat from New Delhi in India. So my final project that I've decided to develop is a web application which is currently hosted on this website. It's a Python slash Flash CSS HTML SQLite, all of them combined. So this is the home page. I'll just use my old username password. It gives you the option to register login, obviously. I'll log in. I'll give you the description of what the page is about. So it's developed in the interest of a psychologist slash a psychology student. We have the option to input the information of a new client and store it to your database, which is available to you. Once the information is stored, you can go to the old clients, and the information will be stored and will be displayed in this table. And if you click on the person, you can check there all the information that has already been input by that particular client. So now I have the option to conduct a test or view one of the past test results. Let's just conduct a new test. Let's just conduct a cage test, which is an alcoholic test. Since I've already conducted it on this user this many times, I'll just go ahead and do yes, 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 no, 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 no. So the test was successful. I'll just go to the old clients, and if I go back to the same page, I can go and view the past test results for Cage, and this is the latest one conducted right now at this recording of this video. Test results are negative, not an alcoholic. The same way you can view all the other results of the test that are available on the website or that have been conducted on this particular client. This is the list of all the tests that are currently, and this project can be interchanged for other fields of study as well. So thank you for your time. Hope you enjoy.